I almost had it, but then we went in. I was fixing up my whole stuff.
Weren't you the one who said
I was gonna use a regular in this, yeah. I'll do it next time. I was actually fixing up my whole stuff and then we went in, so I was like, oh, whatever.
I don't know, I kind of remember someone saying fix up your essences outside so you don't waste time when you go in. Who was it?
Yeah. I think it does work for this. I don't know, I really don't know.
You definitely run clones for AoE, but I don't think you'll get that. This is like 200% extra damage.
So for this boss, right, the first skill is a tank buster. So if I just don't take the tank buster, then I should be okay for
the real white will burn you down.
Yeah, so I swap back essence after.
What the fuck? Just for one hit?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
The first Glory of Vaza is like 10 seconds in.
That should be enough. If I don't build my storm side and I just jump straight into my burst, then maybe.
You know what? If you're going to do irregular...
Wait. Does irregular also apply to Honored Sacrifice?
What do you mean?
Does it stack? Yeah, it stacks.
Stacks.
Okay. I'll probably just die to my own buff.
No, but there's no point doing it on this boss. We don't like DPS for this. We need we like it for the second one. If you want to do anything, do it on the queen.
Actually, when's the thing for the queen? The revive for the queen's a bit
14 seconds.
Oh, that's enough. That's enough.
And if you delay the pot, you can get like a good 1 minute 15 off after the first drain on AoE.
After it? Oh.
Yeah, after the first one is 10 seconds, the next is like 1 minute delay. And even if you want to go further beyond, you can just home gang it.
But the buff isn't that great though. It's just 100% damage compared to 72%.
I think it's 90%? It's not even 100%.
I think it's 90.
Yeah, it's 90%.
Something like that, yeah. I mean, kind of have extra hosts, that's fine. If I carry one Re-Razor, then I get it. We'll see how this one goes.
We should be fine with this. This round, the DPS generally is better for the whole party. If everyone is back, really check, huh?
Case this.
Those who relogged and stuff, you can party sort if you need to. Just in case.
I mean, Phelan, if you can actually run irregular, that's an extra 30% DPS at least, I think.
Exactly. And if like all the warriors do it, then like that's huge, right? It's a huge.
Yeah, and if we fuck up something, all the warriors are dead. It's like, wait, where's all the tanks?
That's fine. That's fine. We all got home gang emergency button.
See you ready. Place is back.
Let me just do
Um. Second adult, who are the casters? Can we any more casters?
Are you ready?
Wait, I'm trying to find casters.
Wow, Tormentor.
No, just have 2% do first, 2% do second, so you guys, at least anyone die, it covers.
Okay, then me and Torment cover second one.
Okay, so 2% first, second, third, please. Then you guys just rotate. Okay. A, B, F, C, B ready.
B is okay.
See it.
Wait, who else? E. A ready. D left?
D now.
Yeah, wait for D.
Pots, 3 raises.
Ouch.
Food.
Okay.
Lost action, save the shield.
Okay, counting down. 20. Please try to get this clean, guys. Please don't get carried, those who keep dying.
Just drop GCDs if you need to.
Behind.
Reset again.
Out.
Oh my god, the same set as just now.
Next one front.
Front, huh? Front. Swords next. Watch your debuff. Slashes. Hot and cold slashes. Please remember you are supposed to be adjacent of safe spot. Three safe, 3 safe. Four safe, 4 safe. 4 is safe.
Probably a razor if you died.
Tank Buster. No, red white, sorry, not Tank Buster. Adder reprise, please. Adder reprise. Mitigation. Tactician. Nice.
Behind.
Behind. Watch your quick march. Quick march, then there'll be a tank buster after that. Watch the fire, watch the fire. We're going towards 3. Watch your debuff. Red white, please remember Adder replies. Not moving the boss, not moving the boss, just stay here for heals. You'll be away next.
Out.
Hot and cold, then freedom. After freedom, I'll pull. Watch your debuff, then watch your quick march. Watch your quick march, please. Red white. Either reprisal,
Second pot.
remember. He'll go to the middle, front, then he'll go to the middle on his own. For slashes. He'll go to the middle on his own, just get ready. Get ready for 6. Hold your cooldowns if you need to. Please watch your brand. Please watch your brand. Nice, call safe spot.
3 is safe.
3 is safe, 3 is safe. One is safe, 1 is safe. Red white next, red white next.
Behind.
Behind. Unseen eye and safe spot later. Unseen eye and safe spot later. Bravo. Hot and cold brand quick march, watch. Quick march. Avoid, huh? Red white, then there will be a tank buster. Red white, then there will be a tank buster. There's no.
LB guys.
Heal LB.
Yeah, so avoid the front. Oh no! You're fine, you're fine.
How come outside die straight away?
I think far away. You need to go middle to the middle.
Out.
Away.
Out.
Away. I'm not moving the boss. He won't move. Watch your brand. Watch your brand. Go to corner and do unseen knight. Remember? Go to corner and do unseen knight. Not moving the boss at all. It'll be a red white. It'll be a red white. Mitigations, remember? Okay, good.
It's not magic this time. Really.
Nobody's gonna.
Adri's gonna.
Wow, look.
Oh, there you go. Oh, okay. Watch out for the protections.
Watch out for traps, watch out for traps. Don't grip, don't grip.